Hello everyone, I'm Peter Duffel from Next Generation Automation. In today's video I will walk you through the Next Generation Automation overseas hiring model that helps connect software test engineers directly with employers based in Europe and the United States for software test automation job openings. Brief introduction about me. I holds bachelor's degree in Business and Commerce from University College London. Prior to joining Next Generation Automation, I have worked in Adecco as technical recruiter for 10.5 years. At Next Generation Automation, I let software testing engineers connect with employers majorly based in Germany for software testing jobs. German IT market's very important for Next Generation Automation, as IT market here in Germany very mature and open to hire international talent from countries like Australia, India, Pakistan, Singapore and many others. How the Next Generation Automation overseas hiring model works towards career growth of software test automation engineers. Model divided into multiple phases for software testing engineers based in countries other than part of Europe. Phase 1. Registration. Interested software testing automation engineers looking to work directly for overseas employers get registered after paying registration fees as per prevailing rates at time of registration. Current service fees 999 INR for 1 month support and 2499 INR for 3 months support, that includes NGA Book Bank complimentary download. Once done with registration fees, software test engineer account for job apply URL gets activated and software test engineer will get mail about account activation in next 24 hours. Kindly sign up at Next Generation Automation website to let the account be activated by the back office team. Phase 2. Resume and cover letter upgrade. Every registered member will get PDF guide to create better resume along with sample resume and sample cover letter. Members can refer the documents shared to update resume and cover letter. Phase 3. Resume and cover letter upload for shared job openings by Next Generation Automation. Registered member needs to browse all shared job openings available on Next Generation Automation website daily or weekly basis and apply separately for each job opening, matching his technical skill for software testing. Next Generation Automation put every effort to publish good number of job openings every week, and every registered member get chance to showcase his technical skills to on-site employers. Phase 4. Shortlisting and scheduling interviews. Based on resume and cover letter submission, members will get notification mails from on-site employers about shortlisting status. Every shortlisted member will be gone through interview processes per employer interview standards and schedule for the same to be notified by employer. Registered members can always send any doubts or queries while hiring in progress at placements@nextgenerationautomation.com. Phase 5. Interviews clearance. Shortlisted software testing engineers from on-site employers will be gone through multiple interview rounds that include test coding assignments, discuss about basic testing, automation concepts, and advanced subject knowledge based on real test automation scenarios. Success in all interview rounds required to get final offer letter from on-site employer. Interview process commonly followed by on-site employers includes: first interview on Zoom or Microsoft Teams or Google Meet. In this round, software test engineer will meet a recruiter from on-site employer team and get the opportunity to gain insights into company business model and work culture. As part of second round of interview, software test engineer will be interviewed based on his technical knowledge, and questions will be asked on software test automation stack and what kind of project software test engineer worked so far. As part of third round of interview, job-specific assessment task will be given to software test engineer. This round helps on-site employer understand if test engineer meets the set expectations or not. Phase 6 is going to be a discussion about salary and joining date. Once a test engineer clears all interview rounds, he will get an offer letter in United States dollars or euro currency, along with contract duration, if offered a job on contract. Job contract letter mentions salary offer on hourly or weekly or monthly or milestone achieved basis, along with other terms and conditions, as per on-site employer business standards and code of conduct. At Next Generation Automation, I make sure only software testing jobs that let test engineers work at on-site location to be shared, but there may be times when test engineer asked to provide support remotely due to travel restrictions because of coronavirus pandemic. Also, candidate based on his expectations, provide acceptance to the job offer shared at the earliest, along with possible joining date. Registered members can contact Next Generation Automation if they need any support in this phase with regard to offered salary and negotiate joining date with the on-site employer. Phase 7. Visa processing and travel on-site employer work location. Due to global coronavirus pandemic, most on-site employers are looking to let test engineers work remotely at this point of time, but depending on employment contract signed, test engineers need to travel client locations in future. Visa processing and relocation support will be made available from on-site employers directly, with the help of third-party immigration consultants in future, based on candidate performance and project criticality. Next Generation Automation plays an important role for test engineer travel, so make sure to involve placements team of Next Generation Automation to enable smooth travel from home country to on-site employer work location. Now I walk you through a live demo on how to apply for available job openings at Next Generation Automation. Open website nextgenerationautomation.com on your computer. Click on the Login and Sign Up section available at top right of the website homepage. If you have already registered and your account approved, you can log in directly by clicking Login button. And if you are a first-time user, you need to enter your account basic details. First name, last name, email address, password, mobile number, work city and click Sign Up button. Once you sign up at Next Generation Automation, it will take 24 to 48 hours for your account to be approved and activated. Since I have already registered at the Next Generation Automation website, I will log in now with my login credentials. I click the Login button, click Login with email and enter my email address and password. Once I enter my details, I click the Login button. Now I have successfully logged into Next Generation Automation with welcome message Hello Peter Duffel. Now go to our Services section, select Overseas Hiring Model and make payment either for 1 month support or 3 months support. Next Generation Automation has kept registration fees to make sure only serious test engineers who are looking for job change should use the services. Once you are done with payment, the same will be verified by the back office team of Next Generation Automation, and on successful payment, you will be notified through email about successful payment confirmation. As next step, you need to update your resume and cover letter based on a shared template from Next Generation Automation, and once done, go to section Placements. Apply overseas QA jobs. At time of video creation, about 243 jobs available which can be reviewed by test engineers and applied. I suggest applying for job openings which are published in the last 15 days, as the fulfillment rate in overseas jobs is going to be fast. Next, you need to click Apply here for available job openings, and this will redirect you to the Employer Career web page for direct submission of your resume and cover letter. Now you need to understand job requirements, and if you find yourself suitable to fulfill the job requirements, click Apply for this job. Fill the required details and once done, click Submit Application. Congratulations, now your job apply task has been completed, and you need to repeat the same task for multiple job openings which you liked and wanted to apply for. Rest steps will be the same as I have discussed in the earlier part of the video. With this, I have reached the end of today's video. I look forward for your active participation in Next Generation Automation suggested software testing jobs for coming weeks and months. For any queries, you can contact Next Generation Automation at placements@nextgenerationautomation.com, and you will get the answer to your raised query shortly. Thanks for watching.